Oh, hey, there we are. Wrestling Monday Night Raw just finished with Seth Rollins going kind of crazy, it looks like. Guess a normal person, like missed all season, is probably going to go to bed right now, considering she's got a test tomorrow. But myself and the teddy bear. Hey, bud.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, we're going to go camping, and I'm not sure if you guys remember last episode, I talked about these here light up crossbow bolts. There you go. Just pull a little tabby off, and there you go. So anyhow, we're gonna go camping. So I'm back in my old stomping grounds. As you guys can tell, I'm in a house again, with my house and Miss All Season's house. So back in the old stomping grounds. Time to go check out some old school trails that I used to visit with you guys. So test out these bad boys. So yeah, without further ado, time for a little driving montage for the way there, and I'll see you guys soon enough. Cheers. Oh hey, here we are at our camp spot. It is time to get our crossbow target, fire a few bolts, and see how these light up bolt knock, arrow knock, whatever you want to call them. But let's see how they work out. I'm thinking it'll be kind of cool. So anyhow, I'm gonna take a little teddy bear for a little walk, and he can walk around when I set things up. So anyhow, let's get to what you guys want to check out. See those crossbow bolts light up. What are you gonna call them? Light up knocks. So anyhow, let's get her going. Cheers. Bud. Alright, just shot our first bolt and we'll show you what we got and get my first impression. Not gonna lie, you guys can see I got the glow stick over there. Unfortunately, I missed my target, so a little bit rusty. Been a while, I guess. So, but let me show you guys what I found. Not greatly impressed. You guys can see my first bolt, and already I broke the end. Yeah, so I don't think. Well, I lost the lens, but I guess it still does work. So we'll go give her. Actually, no, it doesn't really work because I need the chamfered knock, and it's a bit of a pain in the ass to unlock these now. So. Yeah, I might be able to rig some of my old green knocks, do a little mild drilling. I might be able to patent something. We'll come up, we'll think around. But anyhow, I'm trying round number 2. Okay, that's kind of cool. Not gonna lie, I wish I could be shooting them at further distance so I could hopefully see them volley, but at the price that they are, kind of expensive to be losing or breaking like I did my first one. So hopefully we can kind of do a makeshift patch job. But anyhow, time for, I can see how the little teddy bear is doing. Here you go. He's just hanging out back there, ready for bed, aren't you, bud? And now, yeah, we're gonna warm up the back of the truck house. Me and Teddy Bear are gonna cut up in the sleeping bag. Shouldn't be getting too cold. So anyhow, I will see you guys in the morning. Have ourselves a nice little breakfast. Cheers. Okay, good morning everybody. For breakfast we got oatmeal, a couple of oranges, and some good coffee. For breakfast, Gizmo here. Hey bud, how you doing? Come on up. There you go. Yeah, he got some of this here stuff. And I'm barely started and he's already done. So, hey bud, you like your breakfast? Like breakfast, bud? They camping? But yeah, we're gonna have our breakfast here. Well, I'm gonna have my breakfast. He's already had his. Then I'll do a little walk around the truck, show you guys the camp spot in the daylight, and then we're just gonna make some tracks. So, guess I'll wrap up my video right about here, and we'll finish it off with a little rolling out montage. So, till next time, thanks again for watching. I think Gizmo here, he had a good time. So, till next time, everybody, remember to live, and cheers. Hey, buddy.